The morning routine of a coffee snob. Much like our freshly roasted coffee, we start our day with a rest period. For optimum results, at least 8 hours is recommended. We then proceed to do everything that you normal people would do. We take our little pocket scale out and measure out exactly 1.3 grams of toothpaste. We'll take a nice warm shower with our built-in PID set to exactly 105 degrees Fahrenheit. And of course, we'll make breakfast. For my cereal brewing method of choice, I like to use a V60. First, I'll measure out exactly 30 grams of cereal, followed by 50 grams of 40 degree Fahrenheit temperatured milk. I'll let this bloom for about 15 seconds, and I'll swirl the decanter to ensure even saturation. I then add in the rest of my 100 grams of milk, pouring in a circular motion and again swirling. Now comes the peak of any coffee snob's daily routine: brewing coffee. Just like an ordinary person would, we sift our beans, ensuring that we only select those that are ripe for consumption. Today, I'm feeling old school, so instead of using my $700 conical burr coffee grinder, I'm going to be using my mortar and pestle, just like how our ancestors would have done it. About an hour later, our coffee is nice and finely ground. We can finally prepare our portafilter. We pull our shot while steaming milk at the same time, just to show off to ourselves that yes, we can multitask. I take this perfectly brewed shot of espresso and pair it with some perfectly textured milk. An attempt is made to pour latte art. And that is the morning routine of a coffee snob.